So in today's video guys, I'm going to teach you how to join a Minecraft server on Java Edition. Let's get into it. Just quickly before we get into the video guys, only a small percentage of you that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So make sure you subscribe, it is free and you can always unsubscribe if you don't like me later. So the first thing I'm going to go over is just a few general things, because the last video I did on this topic, a lot of people had questions and a lot of people had problems that they had their own different circumstances. So I'm going to tell you what you need to do before you try and do this. So the first thing and the most crucial thing, you need to have Minecraft Java Edition. You need to have the full edition of Minecraft. Because a lot of people had Windows 10 and like the other editions. This video is purely for Java. It may work for other versions, but I'm telling you this is for Java. The second thing you're going to need is a good internet connection. It is crucial that you have a good internet, because you're about to join a global server, so you're going to have a good internet connection. And the third and last thing that you're going to need is a good computer, or whatever you're using. It needs to have the minimum specs to run Minecraft. Okay, it needs to have the minimum specs. I'll put it on the screen right now, the minimum specs. You need to have that in order to run Minecraft properly. Okay, so now into the tutorial that you've all been waiting for, how to actually do it. So let's get into it. So the first thing we need to do is find the IP address of the server we're going to join. So the first thing is, you can either do it in two ways. The first method is to go on a website like this, and it actually gives you a list of the best servers to join in that. So, and then it gives you the IP right here, and it gives you the US one as well. So that is a good method of doing it. And if we scroll down here, it'll give you another server, and you can just keep going down and just browse through servers, and it gives you the IP address right there. So that is one method. The other method is, if you already know the server you want to join, you can just search it up on Google and then you get their website. It may not have their website for every server, but that is how I'm going to do it. So I want to join the Hive. So the first thing I need to do is go into their website. It may say check in your browser before accessing, but that's fine, just let it do it. Then it lets you in, and then what you need to do is try and find it in their website. So it's over here. So what I'm going to do, it says click to copy to clipboard. So I click, and then it says copy to clipboard. And now, whenever I do Control and V, which is paste for like the keyboard shortcut sort of thing, it will paste in that, and we will need that later on. So make sure you have copied it and it is ready to go. So what we need to do now is we need to add the server to our list of servers. So the way we do that is, first of all, load up Minecraft Java Edition. The next thing that needs to happen is we need to add it to our server list. So the way we do that is load up Minecraft Java Edition and go into the multiplayer tab, and then down here it will give you an add server option. So we're going to click that, and then it'll bring you to this little menu here, and basically the first thing that needs to happen is you put in the name. This can be whatever you want. This does not matter. I'm just gonna name it the Hive because that's what I want. I want to make sure I know it. So the next thing we need to do is, remember that Control and V? Well, we need to do that right now. So first thing that you need to do in the server address, this is where we paste in that server IP address. Okay, so on your keyboard you press Control and then V, and that pastes in the address of the server. Okay, so every server IP address will be different from this, because they've all got their unique address. So whatever you may have a different one, but if you've done all the steps correctly, it should work. So that is play.hivemc.com, and that is the Hive's IP address. and then down here there'll be server resource packs prompt. So that basically means if there is a particular resource pack in the server, it will basically prompt you to add that, and yeah, that's basically what that means. And then the last thing you want to do is down here and click done, and then it'll load, and there we go. So it has connected to the server, and it gives you this wallpaper of different stuff that it offers and everything. Basically it's advertising right there. Okay, so the last the last thing we need to do is to join. So you can either go here and press the play button, or you can double click just anywhere in this area right here. So I'm just going to double click, and now it should connect us to the server, joining world, and there we go. So we are in. It's a little bit laggy when it first joins in, just need to let it load up. And we are now in to the Hive server. So obviously this will work with any server that you want to join on Minecraft Java Edition. Make sure the server works on Minecraft Java Edition, and also that you obviously have Minecraft Java Edition, and all the things I said that you should have at the start of this video. So I could just go here and do, what's a popular game? Could do Bed Wars. Go and press Bed Wars duos, and then joining world, and then there we go. So we're going to be going into a game of Bed Wars. I'm not going to go and play the Bed Wars here for you right now, because that is the tutorial done, but that is how you join a server. So hopefully that clears everything up that I didn't mention in the last time I tried to make this video, and hopefully that is now very clear. So here we go, we're going into a game of Bed Wars, and yeah, that is it for this video. So if you enjoyed, make sure that you leave a like, and also subscribe for more Minecraft tutorials. And yeah, if this was helpful, make sure you like for more tutorials as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.